parents gave him his first dirt bike, and they bought him a new one every year. He's been riding since he was 4.5 years old, jumping motorcycles. You saw all the injuries that he's done. A feat that only boyish imagination could dream up, now attempted by a well-prepared man who is fully aware of his dangers. Robbie Maddison is saying, this is it. To the top of the arc, he wants to go.
Well, Joe, I have to tell you, that was an absolutely perfect landing for Robbie Maddison. He nailed that one. The sweet spot we talked about, he made it look so easy.
What more is there to say? Now comes what has been said to be the hardest part. As if 10 stories skyrocketing into the air isn't enough. The free fall back down. Here it comes.
Robbie was leaning out there. He was looking down, and the weight of that motorcycle alone would terrify a normal human being. But Robbie's so confident as he goes to the edge of that 100-foot drop. He's checking the bike is in the right gear. You can see him there, pushing up and down on the shifter pedal. Here we go.
He did it! Higher than anybody has ever gone before, and successfully returns.
Robbie Maddison, you are the fucking man.
Robbie Maddison, on his night of nights, has pulled it off. Is this the real deal or not? The Australian native, he dedicated this to Evel Knievel, the Night of Nights.
Don't think about that when you are higher up. I know you wanna be someone, and you can be it if you're strong. You cannot hide, and go and say what you want. Do you feel alive?
Veterans in the sport can definitely pull out some old school stuff from the bag. Anxious to see how it goes down, and Ego has been lighting the course on fire, getting a lot of jumps in. Now, here we go, let's check this out.
Well, another big start with that Cordova flip. Amy is like thinking, oh man, I wish he just kind of stopped in the semifinals.
Secret, big extension again from Maddo. Charging hard. Both guys have a really good line.
There, he's got that lazy boy flip. Now, Ego Sato also can do that lazy boy, so it's going to be interesting to see if Sato has anything kind of extra to pull out.
Ego has a great lazy boy flip. I haven't seen it here in Calgary. Maybe he's been holding it back for the finals.
The crowd here in Calgary are great. They're cheering on every single trick. I think Maddo had a bit of trouble there when he came off the landing into the takeoff. And I don't know if he was actually planning to pull that trick.
Looks like he didn't have a good setup after a huge KOD flip. On fire still. He's a minute deep and still rallying the chorus hardcore. There's that whipped out,
He's going,
over.
yeah, I don't know, maybe, I think he is going for the underflip. He's kind of trying to tuck his head under to bring it around. I see Levi Sherwood behind Amy.
For the third time tonight, Maddo stressing out Ames.
So there, it looked like he was going for that small rock solid again. Again, we're knocking him for something being small. It's because he's got to pull things off so big and so consistently.
Keeping his composure pretty well.
I gotta say, this is a great run so far.
Oh, going a little long.
That was long. So that's it, 10 seconds left on the clock. He's gonna get 2 jumps here on the double-double. Robbie Maddison.
No hand flip. Drives it in there good. Super can, finishing it off. Not the hugest trick to finish on, but I'm sure they're not exactly sure what they're